Hello guys, how are you today? I will show you how to make your learning outcome. Also, this will be an exam that you need to make on the Microsoft Forms. So I put it here different links. One of them is this link. It is about an exam that I have here. Let me show you where you can find information about different skills. One of them is grammar, reading, writing. So try to find five examples, five questions of grammar, five questions of reading too. Then I will give you one exam where you can develop your five questions of listening, and you can make the five question of writing too. Moreover, I will give you the material. I will give you another exam. So let me show you, and let me start too. So this link, it is about information of one book that is on the internet. Is this one, or this is an exam, and you need to find these sections. You need to find five questions of grammar and five questions of reading. Right? You see, you can find this, and you can find grammar, vocabulary, for grammar. So I need five questions of grammar and five questions of reading. Okay, for the exercise of reading, when you will create an exam that include these skills. So you can find the five questions here about grammar. It could be in the section number 3. It is about how to write correctly. And reading, you will find it on the page number 6. Let's see it. Page number 6. This is a reading exercise, and you need to include five questions of reading. So how are you gonna put it on your exam? Okay, let me show you in Microsoft Form. If you remember, we finished this exam the last class. So one section is for grammar, and you need to add five questions. Okay, question 1, that's it for grammar. There is another question number 2, and so on, right? Now the next one is reading. It should be another section, add new, then section. And this is reading. In this case, we're gonna add some we're gonna add an image. It could be something like this. But I have the question here, right? It is in the reading section. And let me see the exam. This is a read the test and answer the questions. And then we have the question there. Okay, let me show you how I'm gonna do the reading section. Something that you can do, use a snipping tool. It will be like an image, right? So this is my paragraph number 1. Okay, cut I cut the paragraph, copy and save it. I'm sorry, I save it in the computer. So how you gonna upload this paragraph? You should go here to the insert media and go to the image. You see you can upload an image or a video too. You need to select video. Okay, you could have an image from your OneDrive, or you could have an image you can upload from the computer too. I put it upload there so I know where is my image. This one, this is the paragraph number 1. Let me see if I could put it here in another section. We could be here in this section, and I will add a test answer. Read the next paragraph and answer the questions. Answer the questions. Yes, I think it's better to add a test section here and upload your image of the paragraph. Click on edit, then the large image, and that's it. Okay, now you have this one. We don't need any answer here. Just put the paragraph, and we're gonna start with the questions right here. The questions. Let me delete this one. We're gonna answer the questions. Okay, and that's it. Try to put it section reading, then the instructions, then put your paragraph, and let's start with the questions, right? Okay, this will be the choice sections. I have the exam here, and these are the questions. Question number 1. Oops. Mm, Let me move my exam. And this is the question 1. Oops. It did not let me copy these ones. So you need to type it. Sorry. This story. is about a dolphin that helped ships many years ago. This is the question number one. Option one is true, false, doesn't say. True, false, doesn't say. Okay, where are the answers? You will find the answers in this, in the other. We have the answers here in the other link that I put it here. Answers, right? This is the exam. This is the link for exam, and these are the answers. This is the link for the answers. So the section number 7, this one, and the first one is true. The correct answer is true. This is the correct answer. So you put it this one, the correct answer. Put it a tick, and the if we have uh, 5 questions for grammar, 5 for reading, we're gonna have in total 20 questions. So I think you need to give 5 points, right, for one correct answer. 5 points. And this is required question. And that's it. I have my section of reading. I put it the instructions, then my image of the text, of my paragraph, and I have started with the question number 1. And then you should go to the question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. I need 5 questions for listening section. I'm sorry, for reading. This is for reading. So I think you can complete the section of grammar and reading using these exams. And I have put it I will give you the links, right, of this exam with the answers. Now let me show you what you need to do for the listening section. Let me continue with this exam. Okay, I put here just one question for reading, but you need to put a 5 question. Okay, let me add another section. This section will be listening. Let me see the instruction. Okay, I need to give you one book. It is a digital book. Then you can complete this exam for listening. I have it here. Okay, in the book, for the 5 listening questions, you have here the listening section, section number 3. This is the page 21. Okay, you go to the page 21. This is section number 3, and this is the exam. You will hear a group of students talking about project. Okay, this is the first question, but uh, however, you need to listen first, right? The listening, the audio 21. Okay, how you need to upload this audio? Let me see. In this time question where you're also a speaker, referring right now here. Okay, we put it this instruction, right? Like instruction, and these are the instructions. Then how you gonna upload the audio here? So you should go to the OneDrive. I will give you these audios. I will give it to you, and the book too. So this material you will have it, right? I will give it to you. Yeah, right here. We have the books and the CDs too. This is the book, and I have opened it here, and this is the audios too on the CD1, CD2. Now let me add the audio here. The first thing is that you should go to the OneDrive, and then we're gonna use for the. Let me close these ones. Right. The first thing that you need to do is that we're gonna use um, the audio number 21. So it is upload files. Then go to the audios, and you need to choose number 21. This is 10, 20, 21 MP3. Okay, now when it's ready, you need to share it, right? So you see I have here the number 21. I'm gonna use it for my listening exam. So let me share it, and to get a link, just copy the link. Yeah, just click on share it. And then there is one section where you need to click here, copy link. Anyone with a link can edit. Okay, copy. Now go to your exam, and we're gonna add it here. Um, we can copy here if you want to, right? Okay, I got it here. And now I'm gonna add the questions. Question number 1. Where is my exam? Okay, I got it here. Question 1. You will hear a group of students talking about a project they are planning to present. Choose the correct letter A, B, or C. And we have the answers. The first one, talent painting is A, B, or C? A, B, or C? Okay, have the three answers, and you need to go to the where we have the answer, and the answers are on the page 92. Page 92. You have the track 21, 15, 1920. This one, the number 21. He said, okay, everyone, the first thing we have to decide is our topic. I mean, what exactly are we going to talk about? We know the course is art history, and the subject is Italian painting. So, Italian painting is the subject. This is the correct answer. So, put it a tick, and you need to give 5 points. And this is a required question. So, you see, I have the listening section ready. So let me show you what the student will see when click on this link. When he click on it, he will find the audio MP3. You see it, you can play it.
Track 21.
Okay, everyone. The first thing we have to decide is our topic. I mean, what exactly are we going to talk about? We know the course is art history, and the subject is Italian painting, but that's still too big. We have to choose a particular topic. What do you think, Mandy?
I think we should concentrate on a single painter.
But on the other hand, if we discuss more than one artist, it'll be easier to make comparisons and show the differences between them.
That's a good idea, Edward. It'll give us more to discuss.
Right. So the next thing is to decide which artists to look at. I think we should definitely include Michelangelo. You know, he painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in Rome. He's very famous. And what about Leonardo da Vinci?
So you have learned about how to add audio to your exams and how to add images to your exams too. You see, let me do another practice. You can add, for example, imagine that you need to use a video, right? Listening, using, listening. For example, let's watch the next video and answer the questions. Watch the next video and answer the questions. We can add here a video too, but it is asking for the URL. So you go to the YouTube. Let me try to find ITEP something or the ITEP exam. Okay, this one.
Mr. Stevens, my name is Lisa Berger.
You can copy the link from the YouTube. You go to the format for the exam. Where is my exam? I got it here. You can paste it. You can paste the link, then click on it. I think it's better, right?
Mr. Stevens, my name is Lisa Berger. We spoke on the telephone.
Yes, Lisa, I'm Barry. I remember, of course.
And the last section is writing. You can find one one book or a section of the books that I give it to you. Yeah, it could be from the links that I put in here. Try to find one section of reading, or I will give you the book, this one. Yes, try to find one section of writing. Or you have another book, yes, just find more information about it. And that's it. This is your learning outcome. You need to create an exam. And this exam should include 20 questions, and there are different sections, 4 sections with 5 questions each, right? Okay, and that's it. I will explain to you a little bit more. And if you have a question, just let me know. Okay, that's it. Thank you.